Hey guys, I wanted to be able to go over what we're actually doing with the market so you guys can get a general understanding of how to read the charts. So right now I'm actually looking at the pair called Euro JPY. And this is just general information, a brief summary, so that way you can understand how to, look at the charts or what we're actually looking at. The three most important time frames is going to be your monthly, your weekly, and your daily, okay? So what we like to do is simply go to the monthly just to see what actually is happening. So as you can see, we were in an uptrend about here. And then this was the uptrend we were on. Then we went on a downtrend. Then we went on an uptrend. And now we're back on this downtrend. However, it looks like we could be expecting for price to reverse back into the up direction. So that's just one thing that we're looking at. And if you look at the weekly now to get a more narrowed in understanding of what's happening with price, we also see here, price was on that uptrend, then it went down back to this downtrend. All these green spots you see in between this long downtrend are called retracements. So price will retest just to see how strong the support or resistance is. And then that determines whether or not it's going to continue the trend or not. So that is what you guys are currently seeing here, is this downtrend with periods of periodic retracement. Sorry there. Just wanted to give you guys an idea of what I'm looking at. So I drew these trend lines there. Now we're going to go down to the daily to see what's actually happening with the daily. The more we narrow in into this time frame, we're getting a more close understanding as to what the trend line is. So as you can see here as well, price looks like it may start going back up pretty soon here. That daily candle looks like it may be a reversal to go back up. That's what it's looking like to me. And we see this long wick on this. Each candle represents a day. So today is September the 29th. This was the 28th. This was the 27th. This was the 26th. So each candle will represent whatever time frame that we are actually on. Does that make sense? 29, 28, 26. At the bottom, you can see 25th, 24th, 23rd. And then we're going to go down and jump down to the 4 hour. Now, as you can see, when I said just on the daily, we starting to see an uptrend happening. Now on this 4 hour, we see that for the past, 4 times, those 5 candles are all green. Each candle represents 4 hours. So the past 20 hours, this trend has been going up. This trade has been going up. So that's currently what we see here. Now, usually I like to enter in on the 1 hour or the 1 hour or the 30-minute. So what I'm actually looking for as to when to get into the trade is going to be this bottom picture that you see down here. And we're going to learn about that on the next video. Just wanted to give you guys a brief understanding of what I'm actually looking at. I look at the monthly to get a general overview. And then I narrow down lower and lower time frame to see actually what's happening with price right now. I rarely ever, actually never, unless I'm using Renkos, which we may learn about, use the 5-minute. I would only use that candle when I'm only looking at price action, which that will definitely go over a lot of people's heads right now. But we will go further into detail on Renkos pretty soon here, okay? So just wanted to go ahead and go over that.